Hey everyone, this is Mr. Ahlers. I hope you're doing well. It is May 11 to 15 work, and this is N1 and N4. Pretty straightforward stuff. So N1 is looking at asymptotes. So we're at the vertical asymptote. So if you have an equation, f of x equals like 5 over x for vertical asymptotes, you always set the denominator equal to 0. But in this case, we don't have the equation, so we can't do that. So we're going to draw a vertical line. And then I'm going to move it to where it gets in between these two values. And asymptote is something that a function gets really, really close to, but actually never touches. So that's why this graph goes up, but never touches it. So where are we? We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our equation is x equals -5. And I think you need to put the x equals -5. When you ask for the vertical, you have to write x equals. So when it's vertical, it's x equals something. And then when it's horizontal, it's y equals something. In this case, the horizontal is where these lines get close to, which is this line right here. And that's at 1, 2, 3, 4. So y equals 4. But it's only asking for the vertical. This one, what's the horizontal asymptote? So you draw a line where these get really, really close to, which is this line right here, which is y equals -4. For this one, you set the denominator equal to 0 because you have the equation. So x equals 0, and then you're done. This one, you set the denominator equal to 0. X minus 3 equals 0 because it's the vertical asymptote. So then x equals 3. What is the excluded value for? For the excluded value, you just set the denominator equal to 0. So x equals 0 in this case. But that's an easy one. So let me give you a harder one. 2x plus 5 over 4x minus 5. You set the denominator equal to 0. And then you get 4x equals 5. And 4 divided by 4, x equals 5 over 4. That's n4. Here's n1. Here's n4. So simplify simplify your answer using whole numbers and variables. So here we need to factor this. I think we can factor out a k on bottom. So it's 5k minus 6. And this cancels. So then don't forget there's a little 1 here. So it's 1 divided by k. This one, we gotta factor the bottom. So it's d minus 7 and d minus 4. This cancels, this cancels. And remember, when you cancel something and something left, there's always a 1. So it's 1 divided by d minus 4. I think you want to use this button here. And then you can write 1 divided by d minus 4. I'm going to factor the top and bottom. That's r plus 2, r minus plus 3 over r plus 3 times r minus 5. This time, this and r's cancel, r plus 3 cancel. So you're left with r plus 2 divided by r minus 5. Use that button, type that in the top, type that in the bottom. I'm going to factor out an 8. So n minus 2 on top. On bottom, we'll factor out a 3n. So that's n minus 2. These cancel. So you got 8 over 3n. And there's your notes for the week. Hope you enjoy.